Well, this is being said, one of the biggest responses that is now coming in from a Congress MP and likely to his critics that are now also coming in from the Congress party. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who has now hit back at the criticism over his recent remarks on India's cross-border responses, especially when it comes to teaching Pakistan a lesson. Now, in a late-night response from Panama, Shashi Tharoor seems to be clarifying that he was only referring to India's retaliatory strikes after terror attacks and not about past wars. He's now accused the zealots of distorting his words and saying that India's past responses were marked by restraint and respect for the LOC and international norms. Let's exactly put that out, exactly word to word, now what he seems to be suggesting and giving it back. Rather, Sagrika, he seems to be fact-checking his own critics and trolls.
And he seems to be fact-checking his own party, especially those leaders who are adding him in CCs while countering what he's saying. So here is Shashi Tharoor's response. Let's read it out verbatim. After a long and successful day in Panama, I have to wind up with departure for Bogota and Colombia in 6 hours, so I don't really have the time for this. But anyway, for those zealots fulminating about my supposed ignorance of Indian valor across the LOC in the past, one, I was clearly and explicitly speaking about reprisals for terrorist attacks and not about previous wars. Then he adds, my remarks were preceded by a reference to several attacks that have taken place in the recent years alone, during which previous Indian responses were both restrained and constrained by our responsible respect for the LOC and the IB. Reading this out once again, he says, my remarks were preceded by a reference to the several attacks that have taken place in the recent years alone, during which previous Indian responses were both restrained and constrained by our responsible respect for the LOC. But as usual, critics and trolls are welcome to distort my views and words as they say it. I genuinely have better things to do. Good night. So Shashi Tharoor is responding to critics and trolls, but let's give you some context. The speech of Shashi Tharoor in Panama has gone viral, where Shashi Tharoor spoke about India's response to terrorism. He highlighted the surgical strikes in 2016, after which Congress leader Pawan Khera, he added Shashi Tharoor to his CC in a post on Twitter, to which the headline reads, former PM Manmohan Singh, many surgical strikes conducted under UPA, CC Shashi Tharoor. You also saw how the super spokesperson jab that was unleashed at Shashi Tharoor by Udit Raj found support from top leaders of the Congress party, and now Shashi Tharoor has set the record straight. He has in fact given it back to all his critics and trolls. Over to you, Amita.
And also ending it by saying that I genuinely have better things to do. Good night. रंजीता भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गई है। रंजीता, बार बार हमले हो रहे हैं शशि थरूर पर, और ये बाहर से नहीं, उन्हीं की पार्टी की तरफ से आ रहे हैं, सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं। अब लगता है कि शशि थरूर ने उनको सीधे तौर पे जवाब दे दिया है।
बिल्कुल, देखिए, शशि थरूर का जवाब जो है वो हमने जरूर देखा और सुना, लेकिन इसके साथ जो कांग्रेस लीडरशिप सोच रही है उसके बारे में मैं जानकारी देना चाहूंगी। ऐसा पहली बार नहीं हुआ है अमृता, जब शशि थरूर पार्टी से अलग लाइन ले रहे हैं। बड़े नेता हैं, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष का चुनाव उन्होंने मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे के खिलाफ लड़ा था और उस समय से ही वो लगातार चर्चा में रहे हैं। केरल से राजनीति करते हैं, लेकिन केंद्रीय राजनीति में हमेशा अपने बयानों को लेकर शशि थरूर जो है वो चर्चा में रहते हैं, और यही वजह है कि ये पहला मुद्दा नहीं है या पहला मामला नहीं है जब वो सरकार के साथ समर्थन में खड़े हैं, चाहे वो प्रतिनिधि मंडल के तौर पर।
रंजीता बने रही है हमारे साथ, उनका नाम उदित राज जी भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं लाइव। उदित राज जी, सर, गुड मॉर्निंग, कैन यू हियर मी?
आई एम हियरिंग यू। यू मेड टू वेट। In fact, you should have not invited me to speak. I am not there to wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, what you are saying.
No,
if you really
sir,
want...
You've just come exactly at the right time, sir. We are now taking up the story, and would want you to actually...
I've heard it. I've heard it. I'm responding.
Yes, what would you say on Mr. Shashi Tharoor's statement, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Shashi Tharoor said that never before Modi government, Indian Army has crossed LOC international border. Now only option left to him is to retract and regret what he has said, because he tried to erase the history of Congress. And of course, playing with the words, playing with the minds, we also know it. I was IRS officer, I completed civil services, I know what does it mean, what he said. The only option left him that he should regret. Instead of looking at hither and hither, he should come straight. And during
No,
Manmohan
how
Singh
much more
regime,
straight than this, Mr. Udit Raj? Because for more clarity for our viewers as well, I'm just going to quickly read from what he has posted.
I
He
have
has
read
said
it.
what
I
you
have
are saying.
read-
Just hear me out for a second, sir. He says that I was clearly and explicitly speaking only about the reprisals for terrorist attacks and not about previous wars. Does that explain his
See,
stance, sir?
No. He said that before Mr. Modi, Indian Army had not crossed. We also understand English. Though he has a American accent English and middle class, of course, is mesmerized by that accent only. But we understand English.
Are you taking
He
that
said
to a
never
personal
before.
level now, Mr. Udit Raj? Are
It's
you
not a
singling out
personal
Mr.
level.
Shashi Tharoor as a super spokesperson?
No. The reason is that he had gone over there to be the mission, or the delegation has gone with the mission to expose Pakistan, not to denigrate the Congress from the land of other countries. Let him come here and speak whatever he wants. But see what happened. It wasn't his subject, that not before that. What happened in 1965? What happened in 71? Mrs. Indira Gandhi tore Pakistan into two pieces. 6 times surgical strikes were unleashed by Manmohan Singh government. What was that? Do you think that means that means it all these were
But
false?
he's saying he never spoke on that. He's
He
saying,
spoke.
he's
spoke
saying
and-
that his
I
words are
spoke.
being twisted, they are being distorted.
Right. What twisted? What twisted? You see, Mr. Kiran Raju is going to defend him. Why is he defending?
I am not defending,
And
sir.
what-
I'm just putting out what he has said, sir.
Mr. Kiran Raju, why he jumping in this?
Why are you
So if
attacking
we
your
have-
own leader, sir?
I'm not attacking. I'm saving the party. How can he discredit my party? I'm not attacking him. I'm saving the
No, but you are
capital of
asking
my
him to
party.
retract
I
and
have a
take
right.
back his statement.
I have a right. Yes, he should take back the statement. Thank you.
But one more question, sir. All right, Mr. Udit Raj has disconnected himself now. Right now, as far as taking on Shashi Tharoor clearly, because Shashi Tharoor has now made a pointed response that he has now given to his critics, to his trolls as well. I'm going to again quote that. Let's put that post once again on our screens of what Mr. Shashi Tharoor has now said. He's been busy because he's been leading when it comes to India's delegations to multiple countries. He's been in the US, he's now in Panama. And as far as the Panama statement that he has been given seems to be drawing a lot of ire and criticism, mainly from his colleagues within the Congress party. रंजीता भी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है। रंजीता, हमने सुना अभी उदित राज जी को उनका जवाब कहते हुए, वो कह रहे कि वो चाहते हैं कि शशि थरूर अपनी ये स्टेटमेंट वापस ले और अपनी पार्टी को बैड लाइट में तो कम से कम ना दिखाएं।
बिल्कुल, और ये मामला अमृता इसलिए बढ़ता हुआ क्योंकि उदित राज एक हम कह सकते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी में ऐसे नेता जो वोकल तरीके से अपनी बात को रखते रहे हैं, चाहे वो पार्टी की लाइन रही हो या ना रही हो। नेताओं पर चाहे वो शशि थरूर पर पहली बार उन्होंने ये बयान नहीं दिया है, तो ये कहना कहीं ना कहीं उदित राज का, और उसके बाद उदित राज के सुपर प्रवक्ता वाले बयान को जो उन्होंने ट्वीट किया, जो पोस्ट डाला उस पर उसको रीट्वीट किया पवन खेड़ा ने, जो कम्युनिकेशन विभाग के चेयरमैन है। उसके बाद ये मामला बढ़ता हुआ दिख रहा है। और आपको मैं बताऊं कि एक बड़े नेता कांग्रेस के, जब शशि थरूर की चर्चा हो रही थी, मैं नाम नहीं कोट करूंगी, उन्होंने कहा था कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में होना और कांग्रेस का होना, ये दोनों में फर्क है। शशि थरूर कांग्रेस पार्टी में है, कांग्रेस के नहीं है। मतलब उनके जो बयान है वो कांग्रेस से इतर रहते हैं, और ये पहली बार नहीं, कई दफा हमने देखा है कि किस तरह से वो
रंजीता, ऐसा तो देखा जाए तो ऐसे बहुत सारे विपक्षी नेता के दल के जो नेता हैं, उन्होंने सवाल जिस तरह से उठाए हैं पाकिस्तान पर और पाकिस्तान से स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिज्म पर, यही तो एक्चुअली इस थीम है। अगर कहा जाए जो डेलीगेशन का, उनका मकसद क्या है? पाकिस्तान को एक्सपोज करना। उनका मकसद क्या है कि वो कई अन्य देशों में जा रहे और भारत का जो स्टैंड है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर, वो पूरे दुनिया को दिखा रहे कि आखिरकार भारत को क्यों जरूरत पड़ी पाकिस्तान को करारा जवाब देने की। यही तो भारत की पहचान बन रही है। लेकिन उन्हीं नेताओं पर अब सवाल क्यों उठाया जा रहा है वापस घर में?
बिल्कुल देखिए, निश्चित तौर पर इस प्रतिनिधि मंडल का यही इसको भेजने का अलग अलग देशों में और वहां जाकर पाकिस्तान को कहीं ना कहीं आईना दिखाना, उनके नाकाम इरादे हैं उसको सभी देशों के सामने उजागर करना, यही सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा था। और यही वजह है कि कांग्रेस ने सरकार की तरफ से जिन नेताओं का लिस्ट दिया उससे पार्टी की तरफ से जाने की इजाजत दी। और कांग्रेस का सिर्फ यही कहना है कि जो बातें सरकार की तरफ से कही गई है, बेशक वो बातें विश्व स्तर पर सभी जो नेता है वो उठाए, लेकिन ये कहना कि सीज फायर यूपीए की सरकार के वक्त नहीं हुआ, जो कि कांग्रेस का ये ऑफिशियल स्टैंड है कि जब यूपीए की सरकार थी तब 5 बार पाकिस्तान के साथ।
छोटा जवाब, क्या अब ये जो सारे नेता अपना जो ये पूरा डेलीगेशन है, जिन जिन कंट्रीज को वो विजिट कर रहे हैं, जिन जिन देशों में वो जा रहे हैं, अब वो वापस आएंगे तो उनके साथ फिर क्या यही सवाल पूछा जाएगा कि आपने एंटी पार्टी स्टैंड क्यों लिया या पार्टी के लाइन से अलग क्यों बोले? क्या उनकी अब जिम्मेवारी बनती है?
बिल्कुल देखिए, जब ये प्रतिनिधि मंडल का गठन हो रहा था उस दौरान जब सरकार की तरफ से नाम आए थे तो 2 नेता शशि थरूर और मनीष तिवारी, ये दोनों पार्टी से अलग उन्होंने लाइन ली थी। उन्होंने कहा था कि सरकार का पक्ष अगर विश्व स्तर पर उन्हें रखना होगा ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के अंतर्गत तो वो रखेंगे। उस दौरान भी ये खबर निकल कर आई थी कि क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटी इन दोनों नेताओं के खिलाफ करेगी। उस वक्त हालांकि इसको कंफर्मेट नहीं किया गया, लेकिन अब जो एयर स्ट्राइक को लेकर जो
चलिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से ऑफिशियली वी जस्ट interviewed Mr. Udit Raj. He's been one of them who has been taking on the Congress MP. Ajay Alok, I'm told, of the BJP is connected with us. Ajay Alok ji, it seems that whatever Shashi Tharoor has been saying on Operation Sindoor, on what has been India's response so far to Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, there has been a lot of criticism that is coming in his way, mainly from his own party colleagues.
See, there are 2 gangs operating in Congress. One is the gangs of Rahul Gandhi, which is absolutely behaving like an anti-national team, with people like Jairam Ramesh, Pawan Kheda, Udit Raj and all. And the nationalists are of course doing the job, which is not being digested by the Congress party. Congress party is absolutely behaving like a cohort agent of Pakistan or China, and this is really unfortunate and shameful.
So, sir, what do you have to say as far as Shashi Tharoor's response is concerned? Because he has now put it out on open saying that his critics and his trolls are actually distorting and twisting his words. Udit Raj of the Congress now says that Shashi Tharoor must retract his statement.
See, Shashi Tharoor is not there as a Congress MP. He is representing India and he is representing the cause of India. And if people with low intellect like Rahul Gandhi don't understand this, we cannot help it. Shashi Tharoor is doing a responsible job as an Indian and the whole India is proud of him.
All right. Ajay Alok ji, thank you very much for joining in. Well, that's the BJP reaction that is now coming in. But let's get you some more information, what we are learning of a possible rift that seems to be widening within the Congress. Is it Congress versus